Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is using the new spruced up workshop kit from Close to My Heart. It was released January 1st. I love, love, love this. You are gonna love it. It is gorgeous, all right? With the workshop kit, you get the instruction manual. We're gonna create 6 layouts, 2 single 12 by 12 pages, and then 2 double 12 by 12 pages. And I know you're getting a glare, but that's because the manual there, the instruction manual, is glossy. You're only going to have to cut 2 sheets of paper. If you don't like cutting into your papers, you only have to cut 2. This is the sticker sheet that goes with it. I also purchased separately the complements just to have an alternative if I decide when I start creating my layout I want to add my own little touch. And this is for $4.95. It does not come with the workshop kit, and so I'm just showing you that. And then you do get the wood veneer that I'm going to show you briefly. I don't pour them out, I just show you that you get a nice pack of wood veneer. These are the 6 pattern papers that come with the kit. Beautiful. And I'm going to show you each sheet. So the first one was with the birds, and then the opposite side is that beautiful like maroon color. Then you got the stripe, the wood grain, and then you have the trees. You are also going to get 6 exclusive die cut sheets that are 12 by 12. Yes, every one of your layouts is going to have a die cut element on it. All right, the reason why this is going so quick is because I'm also going to create layout number 1 for you. So I'm just briefly showing you the die cuts. You're going to have to come back because I'm going to have a process video for each of these layouts. I will do the single page, which I'm going to do the first one now. Then I'll do the double page, and then another double page, and then end with the single page. All right, let's get started with layout number 1. After you cut, the next page is your assembly instruction. So you have your diagram, and then you have your picture of what the layout's supposed to look like. Again, you can always add your own touch. All right, my photograph is not quite large enough, but we'll come back to that. I'll show you what I do to rectify that. All right, each of these little squares, I figured I wasn't going to bore you because you just have to add glue. Really easy to follow along. And I just flipped it over so that you could get a quick peek of my progress of adding the glue. And then here is a sheet of paper that I cut to fit that square. And let me get my ruler out maybe. This is going by fast. And I cut it exactly to fit that square. So in order to keep it secured, I needed to get out some washi tape that I don't always use and secure that photograph or that piece of paper in there that I'm going to use as a mat for my photograph as one. All right, so I apparently cut that, I don't know. Got my ruler out. That opening is like 6.5 approximately by 4 3/4. All right, so basically my photo is going to be double matted. Now I'm going to use the word winter per the instructions. So here on out, I'm going to follow the instructions to the T. All right, and so the only thing that I varied was matting my photograph. So if you're in the same situation that you have a photograph, you think it'll work perfect for layout number 1, but it's not a 5 by 7. You just have a 4 by 6, then just do exactly what I did. All right. And the only difference is there wasn't enough paper because you in the collection to do the first mat that you saw me have to add the washi tape to secure it there. So you can find in your stash a background paper that will go with this layout. I mean, that paper, that polka dot paper, has been in my stash from close to my heart a couple of years. So it was an older paper from close to my heart, and it worked perfect. All right, for the word winter, I use the foam adhesive from close to my heart because they have two foam adhesive rolls. One is super thin, which is mainly used for those card makers, but it works perfect to pop up your sticker using it thin. Then I dug through my wood veneer and got out the word stay cozy, just like the instructions for this layout. Then I'm going to get out the die cut snowflakes and sticker snowflakes, and you layer them up, and again you add dimension by using your foam adhesive. And the only thing that you're going to see me do different is on the strips for journaling. You actually use the French vanilla in your cutting instructions, and you cut like a 1/4 inch strip off the 12 by 12 French vanilla cardstock paper, and you can use that to handwrite or type. But I chose to get out my Tim Holtz. What is that called? Let me see if I can find it. They're called Small Talk. Tim Holtz Small Talk. And I found words in there that fit perfect for this layout. I'm sorry that I got so ahead of my process video, but I am so excited to be sharing the Spruced Up collection. I'm telling you, it is awesome. Don't think that you only have to document snow photographs. You can use this collection to document anything that you do outdoors. Or for instance, on this single page layout, it is a photograph of me indoors with my dad's dog, Skippy, during Thanksgiving time. All right, it has nothing to do with snow. And also remember, you can alter these a little bit. So if you wanted to, it could be a picture of your kids snuggled up on the couch or sleeping in bed or taking a nap. If it wasn't taken during winter, just don't use the word winter, okay? You can use other elements. Like you could eliminate not using the snowflakes and save it for another layout. It's a-okay to work within this workshop kit and put your own touches to coordinate with the photographs that you want to document. And if you've been following me, you know that's exactly what I do. Now, for instance, on this one, I really don't alter anything on this layout other than the matting of my photograph because I did not have a 5 by 7 photograph, and I wasn't going to rush out to go develop a 5 by 7, but I knew I wanted to use this 4 by 6 photograph. So just double mat your photograph. All right, this layout is complete. The close-ups are coming up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Click on that bell button to receive all notification. I'm going to be posting more layouts using this collection, so you need to hit that bell button. And if you do not have a consultant, I would love to have you as a customer. Come on over and shop with me. And if you would like to be a host, leave me a comment and I will contact you. I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by and watching my channel, and show me a little bit of love by giving me a thumbs up. That'll help bring traffic because I love bringing inspiration to you. We'll see you next time. Bye.